to DR. I think what I'm gonna do is like make short videos and show you guys. Try to upload every day depending if I have internet. But it is about to be 7 in the morning here. And this is a little town. It's Jarabacoa. And we're staying here because he has family here. And this is a villa that you rent. Okay guys. There is donkeys out here. I don't know if the gate is open though because they close the gate at night. So we're pretty much locked in here. See if I see. I fed the donkeys. They're so cute. See, they have these little villas. Look at the lawnmower. I could not sleep. I heard just a bunch of dogs barking at 2 in the morning. They were far away, but it's like they were all communicating. I don't know if you ever guys seen that movie where one starts and then the rest is going. And the donkeys are there. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can get out. Okay. Hold up. Look at the donkeys, guys. All you hear is roosters. So this reminds me a lot of Puerto Rico, of where I grew up. It's identical to it. It is identical to it. Here's the donkeys. This one, he's so cute. Good morning, buddy. Here you go. Good morning. Don't be scared. We fed you yesterday, remember? We fed you yesterday. Hi, handsome. Don't go on the barbed wires. I don't want you to get hurt. Over here. So cute. Were you crying? You got tears in your eyes. So cute. What is that one eating over there? I think he's eating like a piece of palm. I don't know if, they eat the grass when I give it to them. Not the grass, the weeds. See? I'm sure if they didn't like it, they wouldn't eat it. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love donkeys. I wish I could have some. They, I don't know if you guys ever heard of mini donkeys. Mini donkeys exist. I wish I could have a mini donkey. There's the other one over there. Hi. What are you doing, huh? Don't put your face in the barbed wires. Hi, cutie patootie. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, come on, get back. I want him to get back. There we go. There we go, get back. Oh, he's so cute. Let's see if I can take a picture of him. He's like smelling me. Hi. Aww. Don't bite me. Don't nibble. No nibbling. No nibbling. No nibbling. So cute. There we go. Stay behind the barbed wire. Behind the barbed wire. Good boy. Good boy. So cute. Aw, you're beautiful. I wish you a long, long life of happiness. He was crying for me. Look at his face. I'm trying to get him to get away from... No, it's the same one. I'm trying to push him back from the barbed wire. There we go, buddy. Stay back. I love him. I'm gonna take him home with me. Can I take him home with me? Eyes. Huh? Big ol' eyes. I know. Did you hear him screaming? No. Yep. Your mom said that was the donkey. You just tear that up, man. Honey, you're on YouTube.
They got mohawks.
Yeah? Don't let him like nibble on you. Okay.
See you later, buddy.
Mosquitoes were biting you there. So this is the villa in here. What it looks like when you come in. Okay guys, I will get back to you guys when I get to the river. Bye guys.